Um, we have a special letter, which is the SZ, actually SZ, and it's actually just spoken like a sharp S. Well, in the next video, I'm gonna give some examples and refer to the first video with the sounds. But let's continue with the sounds. I think a lot of people have heard about the CH combination. It actually has three kinds of to be spoken. But yeah, let's start with a simple one. A CH after an umlaut or after I and E, the English, the German E and E, is spoken like I watched a video where a girl from America gave a good tip how to do it, and I'm just gonna use it, which may sound weird, but she said, well, actually this sound does exist in English if you whisper the word yes. So I'm gonna whisper it now. Yes, yes. The beginning sound of the yes, yeah, yes. So if you just put that harder, so like whispering loud, yes, yes, yeah. This is the sound. The other sound is the of the CH. This may be a bit more weird, but let's try. Well, you have a tongue, and with your tongue you can close the back throat in your mouth, and you can just breathe through your nose. So I'm not gonna breathe through the mouth anymore, and then try to breathe out through the mouth. Like, take a deep breath through the nose. Try not to breathe out through your nose, but through your mouth. But still try to keep it closed to the back throat. So I'm trying to make it, but yeah. Well, at the first try it may not gonna work, but yeah, it's like find a balance between fighting against the breathing out, but also let it out. Yeah. So that there's a small hole where the air can breathe out, that yeah, that your tongue can vibrate a bit. So I'm gonna do it again. And it's important that you breathe out a bit harder. You try to press your air out, because now I'm coming to the German symbol R, the R. So actually it works the same. And you breathe out softer, but with the same idea of the CH. So to conclude, I'm going to do those again. I may look a bit crazy, but I'm sure it's gonna work. Just practice. This ch is spoken like it is after an a, like a, o, or u. Yeah. The next sound I'm going to present is the combination of s and t. If an s and t are at the beginning of the word or at the beginning of a syllable, it's spoken like sht. Yeah, so like, no, you know the English sh combination and a t, sht. But the German sca, well, yeah, it's also come to this. Well, st and sp are spoken like sht and shp. And we also have the German combination, the German letter combination of sch, which is also spoken like sh. Important is that, well, in English you don't make this when you speak it, you just say sh. But in German you have to do sh, that it sounds, I don't know, like it sounds sh and not sh. We also have the combination CHF, which may look a bit weird, but this is spoken like an X. In the next video I'm gonna give some examples for all these sounds at the beginning, and I'm also gonna present how to introduce oneself. Well, thanks for watching my video. If you have any ideas how to make it better, I'm open for comments. As you know, it's my first video and maybe I was a bit, well, I am a bit nervous. That's why I have some stops and thinking breaks in between. Maybe it's a bit confusing, but yeah, everyone started with a low level. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions in German, of course you can comment and ask. Bye.